Welcome to Android Programmers channel. In this video we will see about how to switch from one activity to another activity. In other words, how to transfer from one activity to another activity. If I want to say in other words, how to start a new activity from one activity. That we will see in our today's video. That is, for example, in simple words, if you want to say, in one page you are seeing one button, and clicking that button you are opening the next page. So we will see in detail about that. So I will show you that. So I have opened Android Studio. In this one I am starting the new project and I am going into empty project, and then I am selecting next, and in that one I am selecting Android Programmers, and then day 2, day 1 I am selecting this directory and I am creating my application. So I have selected here Java as a language, and API is SDK API is 23, that is for Android 6.0 I have selected, and now I click on the finish. It will create an empty activity for us. So it will create an empty activity. So I will show you how to create another one activity in the same Android Studio, and then I will show you now it has created the empty activity. That is, it has only one activity. You can see here. We will show both code and split. Now you can see the thing. It is a hello world. It is showing hello world. So if you want to run, we can see. We will create rebuild. One second, I will try to connect to internet because it is showing internet connectivity problem. So give me a second, I will connect my internet. So now it is connected, and I will run our sample program. Now build is successful. So you can able to find that it will show you the hello world. So I will show you how is it looking like. So it is loading in the Nexus 1 API 23 simulator, that is emulator. So you can able to see that it will install the application and it will show you the hello world. Next I will show you how to create a new activity. It is showing my old application, it is not the correct application. So you can see here in the below, once the installation is successful. Now it is showing old application, it is not our application. So let us wait for a few seconds, so it will install successfully and you can able to view our Hello World application. So you can see Gradle invocation finished, and you can able to see that install finished, successfully finished, and you can able to see our Hello World application comes correctly. Now what we will do is, I closed it. Now what we will do is, we will create another one activity. So what I am going to do is file, new, and then activity. If I go, I will take empty activity. I will say main activity 2, and I have selected Java source language, and I will say finish, and you can see that it has created an activity. So in this activity Hello World thing, I am going to create one button. So I am going to design alone, I will select it, and I am going to create one button. So in the code and this one, I am going to say that button as, you can see our text is Hello World, and button I am going to say is show my next page. I will say it in simple words, show my next page. So I will save this one, and then in the next activity I will say that I am going to push one text, and in that, welcome to new page. I am done with the user interface part. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to write one function, public void send start new activity. This one I need to give it as view of some view. So if you put Alt Enter, you can import the record class, and then in this one I am going to create one intent, Alt Enter you can put, and you can import the record class. New intent of this, comma, main activity 2 dot class. That's all. Now we have created the intent, and now we are going to start the activity. Start activity, this function I am going to call. So I am going to pass the intent. now it's done. So it is going to when you click that function, it is going to call this function and it is going to start the new activity. So we need to map on clicking this function. So what I am going to do is on clicking this function, I am going to map the on click, I am going to map the start new activity function whatever we created. So I mapped it, and now I am going to save it. So I am going to hide this one. So I saved it, and let us hide this one. So I will do a clean project, and it is successful. And now I will do the rebuild project. And now I will run the application. This is our old application. So now it is going to install, finished successfully. New application come. You are able to see my new button. So when I click this button, it is showing the next page. You can able to see. So our thing is successful. What I am going to do next is we are going to add some log message, and I am going to show you whether the log message is displayed or not. So what I am going to do is log.I will put information. So I am going to put it as main activity, and I am going to put the log as on create. So I am going to create one variable here, log equal to null, and what I am going to do is I am going to import that class, and then what I am going to do is here also I am going to put to another one log. This also information log. So I will put it as I main activity, and I will put that this is the tag. So I have given us main activity, and here I am giving the start activity function. I have given this one, and in the main activity you can also create another one log. So I am going to create log.e. Here I will show you the error log. So I have created main activity 2 as tag, and here I have created on create. So you can able to see that it will be here also I am going to create one log equal to null, and I am going to import that class. So alt enter, and I will import that class, and now I am going to save it, and I will show you how to view the log message. So I am running this application. Now you can see the log message. I will show you how to view the log. So you can see our application has come. So you can go to logcat, and you can see from that application, my application is ours, and you can see the information, whatever information it is available, it will come. So in this one you can view our main activity on create. You can able to see some other things also, but our interest is viewing our log. So you can able to see this one, and when I switch back to the next page, you can able to see that welcome to next page, and this one is error log we added. So if I go here and if I see error, you can able to see that main activity on create it has come. So our log message is displayed successfully. So, and one more thing I want to show you is sometimes that is I'm going to teach you about the design guidelines. That is in on create you should not put that is launching timeout has been in the Android, the launch timeout is 10 seconds. So you should make sure that your launch is completing within the 10 seconds. For example, if I put some 12,000 millisecond delay in the on create, then you can able to see that it will show the black screen. So you should avoid that one. That is, your launch should complete as soon as possible. So I will show you what is going on, and I will tell you about that. So I have given time start equal to system dot current time millis, and while time start plus 12,000 is less than current time, then I am going to do some we no need to do any operation. It is for testing purpose only. So I am putting integer I equal to 1 plus 2. This is for some test purpose only, because I am going to iterate this one for 12,000 milliseconds. So I am going to show you how is it behaving. So currently I have given, so I will save it. So now what I will do is, sorry, here it will come as greater than, sorry, I put a long condition. So now I will compile it, and I rebuild the project. You can see, you can go to build, and you can see that it's built successfully. You can see that 11:21 PM. Now I am going to run this application. So now you can see that log get and all, it will display for our application. So you can see that install is finished, and you can see our info is coming correctly. So I will show you. So this is our application. So when I click show next page, you can able to see that it is showing black screen. So it is a design guideline, it should not take much time. So you can able to see that it is showing black screen. So as per our design guideline, launch should not take much time, so that you should make sure that your on create is short, and whatever the necessary thing you have, you can do it. If you want to do time consuming task, you can put it in a background thread. Don't do it in the UI thread. You can see that since we utilized 12,000 milliseconds, it is causing the main thread. It is, you can see this one. So that only it is showing the black screen. I hope you understood everything. If you like the video, please click the like button, and please subscribe the channel. Please share it to your friends so that it will be they will learn this, and it will be useful for them also. Thank you so much. I will meet you in next video.